Hey y'all, it is quite late. We finally got the tree up tonight. It's not decorated yet, just a couple ornaments on there. But I did get 2 packages of seeds in the mail. So before I head up to bed, it's nice and quiet down here in the house. How about we go through my seeds? All right, we're gonna start with Seed Therapy is the new name of the company. I have ordered from them once before, maybe a couple years ago when they were called, I think, Southern Seed something. But there is another company called Southern Seed Exchange that I order from here in Virginia. And I think there was probably a name dispute, so that is why their name is now Seed Therapy. Now, used to, the last time I ordered, it was little Ziploc baggies, but it feels like they actually have seed packs now, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, okay. Let's see what I ordered. These were all on sale. I think I got everything in this baggie for under, it was around $35. Got quite a few of really, really unique things. And so since these don't have pictures on the packages, I will put a picture from their website up as we go. So the first one we have is Apple Blossom Stalk. And the colors were just so gorgeous. It was, I don't think they have a real catalog. I think it was an online digital catalog, but it was just beautiful, as you can see by their picture. We have a zinnia. This was called Blushing Bride. It was so pretty, the combination of colors. Sometimes it's the pictures that really do sell you. We've got Apricot Aster. This is like an annual aster, like a Chinese aster. But how pretty are those colors? Just so stunning. I think I went heavy on the flowers. Scabiosa. This is a salmon colored. I've grown a couple, maybe 2 or 3 other colors of Scabiosa before. I really, really like the dark night. I think that's what it's called. What do we got? What do we got? Silver Rose Strawflower. I really think I already have this variety, but it just looks so pretty. I didn't want to take a chance. And since it was a good deal, I went ahead and got those. Love Strawflower, one of my favorite flowers. Raspberry Sorbet Zinnia. This was absolutely gorgeous as well. Oh, wait a minute. I got 2. Maybe I got one as a gift for someone, which that would make a great gift, right? Especially now that I know that they are in packages instead of just those little clear Ziploc baggies. So tea plant, this is just a camellia. The leaves are used to make tea, and it should probably be put into the fridge. So I will do that tonight. I have some camellia seeds out in my fridge in the garage as well. So I'll put that off to the side. Prickly pear cactus. Okay, this definitely needs code certification. I'm going to start these guys in the next couple days. I'm just going to stick them in a milk jug or something similar. They need a long period of code certification. This is a native cactus for Virginia and some of the other lower states like North Carolina. Whenever we're in North Carolina, I always want to steal someone's prickly pear, but I don't. I haven't. So when I saw these seeds, I thought, well, I'll just start my own. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so here is an oak leaf hydrangea. I don't think there's many seeds in here. Well, it says 100 seeds. Wow. This is a gorgeous plant. So I'm hopeful that these will take. I'm going to have to do some research if this needs code stratification. This will be something we could start right now in a milk jug outside. All right. Another zinnia that was just stunning. The combination of the different flowers, and it was the name. The name on these is what got me. Blueberry cheesecake. And then we've got some more micro clover, which is great for out in my yard. This is a kind of hefty pack. I should have ordered more. So I started some winter ryegrass in my backyard. I'm planning on starting some of this micro clover to kind of put into some bald patches out there in the backyard. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some research on this before I decide when and where to plant it. Blueberry cheesecake, yeah. So I got a couple extra for gifts, it looks like. And a mountain tree peony, and I've never seen seeds for this, so I was like, I might as well go ahead and get those as well, right? I don't know where I'm going to put all these plants, because something like this and the oak leaf hydrangea, they're big plants. They're not little baby plants. Okay, so let's move on to my last seed order, which is from Emma Gardner. I feel like I got a nice pile of seed packets here for a pretty good price. And yeah, let's move right along. Also, a sale. Emma Gardner was having a sale. When I ordered these, it was probably about 3+ weeks ago. Maybe it was Black Friday. Okay, it seems like their seed packets might be different now too. They look shinier to me than in the past when I've ordered. So I've got the double champagne hollyhock. I've grown this before. It is just stunning and beautiful. May have some seeds somewhere, may not, but they're probably cross-pollinated. We've got some Asian sour leaf roselle. So I've grown roselle hibiscus before. I'm not sure what variety of seed I have though. It's from Haas, so I would have to go look, but I don't know. I feel like these might be different, so I wanted to try. Let me see. I was trying to look at the... Okay, so that's a 70 to 90 day to maturity. This actually might be a different variety because the ones I normally grow are much longer maturity. Okay, some black velvet nasturtium. This looks like their older packaging. Make sure these are, yeah, it says pack for 2026. Tango lettuce. This is a keeper lettuce for me. It does so wonderful here in the winter months. Avalanche snap pea. I was running low on snap peas. And I have no parsnips, so I needed to order some. These take a long time, so that'll be maybe planted February-ish. And believe it or not, I've almost went through a lot of my older squash seeds. So I got the scallop, yellow scallop, and then I got the golden Hubbard, maybe to use as a trap crop for some squash bugs. I thought it looked prettier though than your normal standard Hubbard squash, right? Pretty. Black from Tula. Never actually grown this one, so I want to try it. Persimmon tomato. So pretty. And carbon tomato. I've never grown carbon, but I've always wanted to. I may or may not actually have some seeds. I'll have to look. But like I said, this was a sell as well, so I went ahead and just got them. So I'm prepared. I'm going to start my seeds probably first, second, third week of February. And this is a new one, I think. I think this might be new for this year for them. Olive Shades Patio. I'm pretty sure this is a determinate. It might be a dwarf as well. It's a determinate. I do see that. I do see dwarf determinate. So I may lean heavily into dwarfs this growing season for tomatoes. And I've heard other people talk about the champagne bubbles, so I wanted to try it. It looks pretty. I grew a lot of orange cherry tomatoes this summer though. And it looks like that's it, except it appears I got a free save your own seeds, which is cool. So I will keep that. And here is this order. You can see a nice selection of seeds. Alrighty guys, well that was a quick rundown of seeds I have purchased. I will be excited to start some of these really soon. I hope you are having a wonderful growing season and you are starting to look at all the seed catalogs starting to come into the mailbox, like this beautiful, gorgeous Baker Creek. Beautiful. I mean, it's almost like a coffee table book. So I'm going to order those seeds right there for that dahlia. It is just beautiful, and the name is gorgeous as well. So have you started ordering a bunch of seeds? Are you ready for 2026? I still have a ton of seeds. I didn't really need to get too many, but there were a few in here. So comment below. Let me know, what are you excited to grow in the new year? And I will talk to you soon. Bye.